Hey guys, welcome back to the Top Gloss YouTube channel. Rough idea for today, we're going to be doing headlight restoration on a CRV. We're also going to be changing the brakes on the CRV. Yeah, not a whole lot, so I figured it's a perfect amount to just come in here and record and mess around, you know? We are another week closer to our move-in date on this side of the building. I know I've talked about it a lot in the previous videos. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. I give you all the rundown on what's going to happen with everything about the business and the channel. So, long story short, March 1st is the new agreement where all of this workshop stuff gets pushed out to the back half of this building, and then the Top Gloss detail company takes over this stuff, or this section as well, instead of just that section. So I did start painting this wall here. Whoa, you can definitely tell where I stopped, but same thing I used for this one. And that's basically going to be the paint we're going to use to paint that wall and everything else. I still got to do both garage doors in black like we did that one over there. I still have to enclose the ceiling, which shouldn't be too bad. It's the frame's already there, so we're just going to have to get panel boards and space and frame it out. All right, so we're in the back half of the building, as you can see. Everything's official. This is where all the workshop stuff is going to go. Turn this on. There's like 3 sets of lights back here. It goes pretty deep. So this is the wall right here. This is the wall that on the other side is all the cars in the detail bay. So, yeah. There was cars right here, and you can fit probably a handful of cars back here and some equipment, shelves, stuff like that. It's already pretty much ready to go. We're just waiting on March 1st to officially move everything back here, but that is the deal. And this wall is going to get taken down so that everything's going to be pretty much one. So should make for a good time. Okay, so we did come back here actually to grab our jack stands. All right, got some Adam LZ on the TV today. You know what it is. There, break it off there. Okay. coating on these.